Are you looking for the ultimate home away from home for your next vacation in Orlando? Then I definitely recommend the cottages and villas at Margaritaville. So I'm going to take you on a tour of the ultimate home away from home here in Orlando. If you're on vacation, you're looking for somewhere to stay, and you want to experience a stay that makes you feel like you're at home, then I definitely recommend the cottages and villas at Margaritaville. So let's go and take you inside. So this villa is a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom villa with a complete kitchen. So let's go take a look inside. Welcome home. So this is a 2-story villa. So we'll go upstairs, but just so you can see, there are steep stairs to get upstairs. There are 2 full bedrooms with bathrooms and a laundry room upstairs. Okay guys, so let's go and explore level 2. On the second floor of this 3-bedroom villa, there are 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a laundry room up here. So let me just take you around. So we'll go in the first bedroom. Such a spacious bedroom. I don't know if the camera is picking it up, but it is such a spacious bedroom up here. So you have your TV with a complete dresser there. What I love about Margaritaville is they give you more than just the basic 4 or 5 channels. You can watch things like Netflix, Amazon Prime, Disney Plus, Hulu, Sling, Apple TV, HBO Max, Tubi, Pluto TV, YouTube, and the list is endless there. So we never were bored as far as it came to watching TV, because we were able to find plenty of things to watch on TV, and it was included. So I really, really love that. But again, you have your complete dresser there, which I love. It was great. Offers plenty of storage there. You have these 2 nice windows here on the side there. It comes with a ceiling fan with light, and some paintings over the bed. But just look at this view from the window. So we were able to overlook the water back here. So it was a nice little view. Yeah, great size room. And then you have 1 nightstand here with a lamp and a clock, radio clock. And what I do like too is that we're not smokers, but it does remind people please not to smoke in this villa. So that's a great feature. Okay, and this is the first closet here upstairs, and it's long, it's spacious, so it can accommodate lots of luggage. As you see, there are 2 areas to hang your clothes, a rack here with hangers and a rack here with hangers, and then a little small safe there. So again, this closet is very spacious, so you can store a lot of items up here, suitcases, whatever you need here. And I'll just show you just the area here behind the door so you can kind of get an idea, but very spacious. I have to say the bedrooms are spacious, almost more spacious than some bedrooms in, actual homes. So behind this door here is the bathroom. Every room had its own bathroom, which I loved. So we'll go inside of the bathroom here. Okay guys, so I really love this bathroom. It comes with dual sinks, or here in the vanity. So 2 sinks. You have plenty of cabinet space and drawer space. In the cabinets there, they had extra towels and washcloths. There was extra Kleenex and toilet paper. So I am filming this video as we're checking out, so some of the things you won't see because we've already utilized. But a shower there, or there is a bathtub in the other bathroom, so I'll show you that. But everything that you need here, they had shampoo, lotion, conditioners, things like that, body bars for soaps and things like that, and even extra towels on this side here as well. So more towels here. So I really love the bathroom, very spacious, very clean. That's one thing I have to say about it. Everything has been clean and spacious. Obviously, villas haven't stayed in, so there will be a little bit of wear and tear, but for the most part, clean, nice, neat, and fully functional, has everything you need. So as we leave out of the first bedroom upstairs, I will show you there's a thermostat. Now, I think this is the only thermostat that I saw during our trip here. So the thermostat to control the temperature is upstairs on the 2nd level. So in between the 2 bedrooms is a full laundry room. I love this. It's a good sized laundry room. So you have your washer, your dryer. They also gave you some laundry detergent just to start. There's also an ironing board. There is a basket and an iron. So again, very spacious and makes you feel like you're at home away from home. Let's go on to the last bedroom up here. This is the bedroom just to the right of the stairs. So we'll start first in this closet. I absolutely love this closet. It is huge. I don't know if the camera, let's see if the camera will actually pick it up. So you can store plenty of things. So you can store suitcases, things like that. But just to show you a large rack here to hang all your clothes. They provided extra pillows and things like that here. Another little small rack here with hangers and another pillow. But if you can kind of see the dimensions kind of the floor, but it's a large closet here. It's a very large closet, and there's a little window looking out, but it looks like the shutter is kind of covered. We can kind of see down to the ground, but it does give you a little natural light in here. So coming out of the closet, heading into the bedroom. So again, the closet is in the bedroom, but it's kind of the first door in the bedroom. So as you come in, this bedroom is a little bit smaller than the other that we just left out of, but still, again, a very spacious room. You have a nice dresser here, and you have a big TV, very large TV. Again, every room came with a dresser, a TV, and a full bathroom. This bedroom actually has 2 nightstands, 2 lamps, a clock as well. And then look at this view. This is just a great view, just overlooking the parking lot, but again, a very nice view. The window is large, so lets in a lot of natural light. But yeah, a very spacious bedroom, I definitely have to say. And again, just makes you feel like you're at home away from home. And then this is the other bathroom. And again, I'm filming this video at checkout. So again, some things may be missing in the video, but I'll try to remember to point them out. I will say that this bathroom actually has a tub. So if you have kids that want to take a bath, obviously after you sanitize it, then the tub here is available for you to use. But essentially this is the bathroom. So again, it came with towels, washcloths, and then your soap, shampoo, conditioner, Kleenex, things like that to utilize while you stay here. So this is the other bathroom. Okay, so on the first level, you will find 1 bedroom and 1 bathroom. So let's go inside the first bedroom here. So we just have the luggage rack here, but it was in the closet. So again, a good sized bedroom down here. So this bedroom comes with 2 nightstands, 2 lamps, a radio, a nice window overlooking just the parking lot, but it's a good, almost like picture window, if you will. I just love the curtains. That's beautiful as well. And then you have a TV, and then there is also a ceiling fan that comes with light as well. And then a pretty good sized closet, not as large as the closets upstairs, but again, you know, you're able to store some luggage, just a little bit of luggage. It has a little depth to it. And then obviously hang up your clothes. So good bedroom, especially for those that may not want to stay upstairs. At least you have a bedroom downstairs. So now for this bedroom, the bathroom is kind of just outside the bedroom, but again, it's right here. So it kind of functions as the main bathroom for downstairs. But again, so close to the bedroom, it's almost like having your bathroom in your bedroom. But this bathroom has just 1 sink here, but it comes with everything that you need. So you do have Kleenex, you do have all your soaps and shampoos and conditioners, things like that. And then it had, you know, obviously toilet paper and a shower. So this one is an actual walk-in shower, and then, you know, toilet. And it did come with extra towels and washcloths here as well. So again, nice sized bathroom for the main downstairs bathroom. And I will point out that there is a linen closet. I really love that. So we will take a peek in here. So again, to give you extra added storage. So if you want to put, like, you know, your blankets, your towels, washcloths, beach towels, extra bags, things like that, a great size kind of storage closet, kind of a catch-all closet down here on the main floor. Okay, so this is like the main hub or living room area. So basically just comes with kind of like a 3-seat sofa there, good size TV. Again, all the channels that you would need for your viewing pleasure there. Then you kind of have a storage unit there, just store games, videos, anything extra that you might want to store. And you also have kind of like a coffee table here, again, that has drawers that are functional, so you can store things there. There's also space under there, so you can store things as well. So I really like that this villa is very functional. Again, it makes you feel like you're at home, away from home. Kind of gives you all the comforts that you're accustomed to at home. Obviously, it's not your home, but again, making you feel as if you were at home. Here is the dining room area. So this table actually is able to accommodate 6 people, and it's actually fairly large. So again, they give you a complete dining room area that's just located right behind the kind of like living room area. But again, it's a kind of an open floor plan. It is, you know, a smaller space. It's not huge, but it's accommodating. All right, so let's get into this kitchen. I love this kitchen. It is beautiful. It is spacious. Again, making you feel like, you know, you're at home. And they did provide a lot of things to make you feel like you were at home. So it had a toaster, even had a, what is this, a margarita blender. So if you wanted to make you a margarita while at Margaritaville, you could do that as well. I'm not gonna open all the drawers and things like that, but there were cups, there were plates, there were wine glasses, basically pots, pans, anything you would need to cook, prepare meals away from home. They have all that here. Here's just kind of a listing of some services that you can expect here while you're staying. If you need to reach out to guest services, there's a number available for you 24 hours a day. But just so you can kind of see here, there was a 4-burner stove with a warmer in the middle, which I really, really loved. Obviously, we had an oven there, microwave. There's a coffee maker. There's also, you know, a knife set, coffees, creamers, sugars, things like that. Even have coasters. Again, all your serving utensils. I really, really loved it. And this was so cute. Welcome to the Sandy Pineapple. I love that. And this refrigerator. I like this refrigerator better than my refrigerator. It is so nice. So I'm just gonna open it. Hopefully it looks clean. Yes. So this is a beautiful, beautiful refrigerator. I love it. So it's a side-by-side refrigerator and freezer, very spacious. We were able to utilize the ice maker there. We were actually able to store a lot of food in this refrigerator. So it's very functional. I love it. Very good refrigerator. So they did not skimp when it came to that. Hey guys, so we're checking out, so don't mind my plate and my cup, but I had to get one more bite for the road. But I just love this beautiful island, guys. It was so spacious. We actually ate all our meals here on the island because it was so spacious. The island actually has, and I'll come around to it, 4 bench stools here, so you're able to sit and eat, relax, enjoy. Only thing I would say is that the bar stools did not have backs, so some of my family, and myself included, would like to have had a back so you can kind of, you know, relax. So not really for extended seating, but again, you can enjoy a nice meal, maybe get some work done there. But I just love this island. There were paper towels that came with the villa, as well as some dish soap, a scrubbing pad, a nice sink here. So it was kind of a sectional sink here. It has a fire extinguisher as well. Again, plenty of cabinets filled with everything you can think of, from pots to pans, dishes, everything you need. Also came with a dishwasher, which we did not use, but that would be, you know, nice if you need it, then it's there for you. And it also has your trash can as well. So this has been an amazing villa. Like, we really love this. We really enjoyed it. It was probably one of my favorite, if not the top place that I've stayed here in Orlando, because I like the feeling of being home away from home. Anywhere I go, I want to make sure I have space and the comforts of home. So I really like this villa. It was beautiful, beautifully well done, decorated, and just supplied with everything you need. Here is the pantry. So a good sized pantry. Has quite a few shelves, so you can store all your food, excess bags, things like that. Then I also like the fact that this comes with a mop, a bucket, a broom, and dustpan as well. So that was nice to have. And this was our beautiful, beautiful view here in our 3-bedroom villa, just kind of overlooking the water. So we didn't really go out here much, but it was very, very nice just to be able to look out at the water. It came with a small little slab here, kind of functioned as like a back porch or patio with 2 chairs, a little table, and a great view. I really, really love this view. It was so amazing just to get up in the morning and just look out, just looking out over the water and at the other villas in the complex. Also want to point out that each villa comes with 2 parking spaces. As you see, the parking spaces are just right here in front of the villas. So easy access, essentially park your car and you're right here at your front door. That's going to wrap up our tour here of the 3-bedroom villa here at Margaritaville. Guys, it has been an exceptional stay. I would highly recommend the cottages and villas here at Margaritaville. They've been clean. It really made me feel like I was at home away from home. So guys, if you're looking for just something a little bit different, an elevated stay, somewhere elevated to stay here while you're in Orlando, I would highly recommend the cottages and villas at Margaritaville. If you like today's video, guys, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're new to this channel, I want to welcome you. So hit that subscribe button. It doesn't cost you a thing. And until next time, bye guys.